What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and we're back with the what video. So, with that said, you already know when you hear that sound what it means and what we're up to. So, I want to say thank you to the oldies but goodies for hanging in there, and anybody that's new to the channel, welcome. Thank you. We hope you subscribe. Leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you think about the channel. Engage with us and everything else. So, with that being said, today I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the new D.J.I Osmo Nano. So, if you previously watched my last video, then you'll know how we came to this point, where it started and where it's going. Okay, so here is the D.J.I Osmo Nano camera. Okay. When I'm about to show you and open it up, I'm just going to tilt the camera down so you won't see my face, okay? But I am currently recording on the Insta360 Go Ultra. So, I hope y'all see the quality is better. To me, it's crispy better. I just got to tweak a little bit more things in it, but that's to come, like I said. Yeah, here is the camera. Let me give y'all a little insight on it first. Then that way we can just open it up. So the dimensions of the camera is 5.7.3 by 27 by 5 by 28 mm. Okay, so that's length, width, and height. The multifunction dock, which is the black one right here, it is 59.1 by 42 by 2 by 22, 33, 0.3 millimeters, which is the same thing, length, width, and height. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up so that way I can hold it up and show you all. Let's see how we open it up. So you already know the story on it. Like I said, if you watched the last video. So we're currently trying to open it up. I don't want to tear the box or anything. So I am going to tilt the camera down and y'all can watch me unbox it and everything for you. And this is what I'm saying. I'm loving the camera on the Insta360 because I can clearly see what you all seeing when I tilt it down. Like I said, here is the box. Oh my goodness. Okay. Opening it up, you're seeing the D.J.I sticker come out. Let me see if I can tilt y'all up a little bit more. Okay. Here is part of the camera. Here is the one part of the camera. Here is the dock station. Now, clearly, yes, I am. So, let's peel this off. Okay. Let's peel the little circle off. And then this attaches to there. Y'all seen the magnetic. Let's turn it on. While it's loading up, then you get the little D.J.I card where you can scan it and stuff. So while that's coming on, we're going to go over to the next thing. You have this little suction cup that allows you to angle different ways. You have your cord. I'm trying to open this up, y'all. I'm sorry. You have your hat clip. You have the D.J.I cage. And when I say cage, it goes over this part here. You just snap it in there. And then you just put it back to there. Let's turn it around. Let's turn on the dock station. As you can see, it's saying connecting. Then also you just have your little pamphlet in here. And then, let's see, while that's connecting, you have your neck lander. So this will snap on to the back of this. You can record like this, like this. Let's see. Connect. We're connecting it. I'm hoping it play without a storage card or give you a view of the lookness of it. It says connecting power on camera. Place this close to the multifunction dock. Okay, so let's take it off of here. Let's put it back on here. So we're currently still waiting. It's saying connecting. So like I said, if you haven't watched the last video, then I suggest you go and watch the last video. That way, okay, now it's saying Osmo Nano ready to disconnect power camera and place the multifunction vision dock. Trying to see what they want us to do because okay, let's see if that's the, hold on. Okay, let's see if it wants it that way. But I forgot what was I saying, but anyway, if you watch the last video, then you know that we where we're going with this and everything. So okay, it's still giving me an error, so let me try to figure that out, and then if I have to go upstairs and get a chip, then that's what we would do. So I'm gonna come back to y'all soon. I go get a chip, then I'm gonna hit y'all back. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. There was something else I needed to mention. Now my camera has switched us back to pure video mode. Both of these cameras have apps that you can use for editing. This one, the DJI has the DJI Memo app that you can go and edit and stuff. Or you can use your normal editing software that you use. Like I use iMovies because it's the quickest to me. Even though I have some problems with it because it's, you just have to work with it. But I'm more comfortable with that one than I am with Final Cut Pro, which is another one that I use very, very little because it's so complicated to me. But this has its own software, which is a DJI Memo. And then my Instant 360 has an app of itself too that I can use its software to edit, which is the Instant 360 app. And I like that because, like I said, I'm going to show y'all, it's right if y'all can see it, because I have privacy screen on my phone. So it's right here in the corner. It's white and has the yellow circle. And then if you look over here, you have the DJI Mimo, M-I-M-O, because I used to use this one to record the DJI software, to edit the software for the DJI Pocket 3. So you could use that for the DJI Nano. And like I said, I use the Instant 360, and I love it because it automatically upload, like what I'm talking to y'all now, this clip and everything, the whole thing, it's going to upload to my phone automatically and through the app. And the app's going to ask me, do I want to download it to my phone, which is what I do. And then I send it to the computer, Bluetooth, and go from there. So that's a whole nother thing. So maybe we will do an editing video at one point next or something. Yeah, I will do an editing video. So let me get out the comparison video. Then we'll squeeze in the editing video of how I edit my videos, okay? And how I stay organized and everything. So we will do that, okay? That is a video that I'm sending y'all way. So I wanted to come back on here and share those two apps with y'all so that I didn't forget that. So we're really going to go ahead and end this video, so that we can go ahead and get on to the next one. So if y'all see me with the same hoodie on, I don't feel like changing my shirts. We just gonna roll it, okay? We gonna keep them rolling. So yes, I'm about to end this video, and we're gonna start a new video. Then we're gonna go send that camera back. So that's on the to-do list today. Record these two videos with this DJI while we still have it in our custody. Then we're going to go pack it up, go ship it back, because this is the last day that they're accepting it back. I have to have it postmarked by today. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to hit y'all back. So, okay. So I wanted to come back on here because I figured out how to open it up to charge it. You charge it right here on the side. And also you put your chip in it right there. And for some reason, it decided it wanted to... No. I'm looking at my current camera now, the Instant 360 Go Ultra, and it's tracking me by face. So I guess I didn't move my 360 or anything. When I turned it off, and I told it to stop recording, as y'all can see in the last video, and it did. And then I figured out where this was, so I came back on here to show you all. And now it switched my mode from pure video mode to standard, because I'm seeing the yellow box around my face. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to charge this up real quick with the quick charger to give me some quickness going on. And then I hope y'all stay tuned for the next video, because we're about to go compare these two cameras. So I'm going to hit y'all back. I'm out.